So this is a very simple procedure to change the air filter on a Multistrada V4S. So this is a Ducati Multistrada V4S, and the air filter is right here in this box. Okay, so yeah, that's the air filter below, or whatever it is that directs the air inside, and the air filter is just behind this box. This is a rubber boot, but it has plastic inside. So the way to change the filter, it's very simple. You don't need to remove anything. All you need to do is remove the 4 screws holding the air duct against the filter. One, that's one more under, 2, and 2 on this side. Once you do that, tie 2 zip ties to the notch that the bolt came off of. The notch is the one that's attached to the air duct, okay? And tie it around the left fork. As you can see, this is tied around the left fork like that. You see the two straps there. So those are the zip ties. Tie one to the top, tie one to the bottom. Now when I change the when I turn the bar all the way to the right, that will extend. I don't want to extend too much because I just replaced the filter, but it'll extend all the way in, and you can easily take the filter out, slap the new one in. Patience is the key. Wiggle the filter slowly out, and it'll come. The best way I saw is wiggle to have the filter length to the left, and then pull it up. Don't push it down. Pull it up. Same things. Bend the new filter slightly, slide it into the gap, and then slowly, wiggle it into place. That's it. And when you bring the thing back, and that's it. See, now I'll have to remove the straps or the zip ties and put the screws in. 10-minute job, but patience is key. Hope this helps somebody out. Bye.